In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this device. So first of all, just open messages, or actually any area where you can input some text, but I think that's the most comfortable places. You've got always it nearby. Let me just enter some number. Okay, and now in text message area, you can smoothly write a message, and as you can see, we are set up with English letters. If you would like to change it, if you'd like to apply new keyboard, select settings, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, and then pick the one that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is super long and all the languages are included, so you'll definitely find something suitable. Just pick it. Let me choose Hebrew, so the change is truly visible. Tap on done. Then you can remove unnecessary language by using this edit icon, mark unnecessary one, click on bin, and then as you can see, you've got brand new keyboard language, and now you can pick, you can write, actually not pick, you can write your messages in Hebrew. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.